Every year we got these massive trees that drop thousands of leaves and clog up my gutters. I'm going to install Redneck gutter guards today to keep the leaves out of my gutters. And this is what I'm going to use. I've got scrap pieces of welded wire, different lengths, different sizes, but I'm going to turn them into my Redneck gutter guards. Well, this was a zero cost project. I used scrap pieces of wire. Well, I accomplished two things today. No more cleaning the gutter, and got rid of some scrap material that I didn't know what to do with.